Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. I like these dot alerts. These guys. That one, you may not have taken it. But when we look back, we can see that these are pretty good. Look at this. I want these trades. Okay, some of them are going to be better than others. But the kind of chart you want is a chart that's giving you some big whippy price action, like this one, pound Swissy. The Swissy pairs seem to work really well with this. Look at that. Oh man, don't you want those trades? And that one. Yep, I want these. Pound Swissy, I'm happy with that. It's a 5-minute chart, and we're looking at our dots. Oh my goodness. Big payday. Seriously, big payday. I like these big paydays. Absolutely questionable, and I'll tell you why. But oh, look at that, wick down, lovely. Oh my goodness. Okay, pound Swissy has caught my attention, right? So I'm going to show you how to trade these dots. We want charts that stack up. So you basically go through these, you look back, and these dots have to look good, and I mean that one looks fine. So what I'm going to do is I'll go over here, and this is going to be a permanent alert. Trend channel, 3 dots here, add alert, extended, and I want this one to be once per bar. This is ongoing. That's a 5-minute, and you can select whatever you want here. I like the handbell create. Okay, I want that alert. No technical analysis. Just take the trade regard. Well, there's a few things. So let me explain now the rules of engagement. We know that these are going to be pretty lucrative. Look at them. I mean, seriously? They're the kind of outcomes you want. So, rules of engagement. Have a look at this one. And here's the thing with these. This just ticks every box. You got the alert, right? There it is, without question. Let me explain how the alert works. We've got these set up to repaint by default. We want them to repaint. The market is constantly moving, and this is telling us that the market's overextended. It could even keep going and extend further, so we don't want that dot where it's not meant to be. The way that we work these is when the dot fires, it creates the alert over in the alerts log down here. We come in, we have a look. This is a 5-minute chart. We have time. What we're waiting for is the next candle. If that fires here, the next candle will confirm it. When that next candle paints, that dot is either going to still be there or it won't. When the next candle fires, and this is giving you time to get your trade organized, your limit orders, everything set up. When that next candle fires, if the dot sticks, we're going to enter. And the way that we enter this is this. Let me hit replay mode here. Dot disappears. Next candle, it sticks. So this is where we are. What we're going to do is we're going to look at the average true range. This is it down here. We've got it on the indicators. The ATR value 46. Sell. So we're going to grab the short position tool. Given that this is actually traded up higher, that's even better. So we're going to enter here. But entry can be anywhere between the high and candle bodies that you see here. That range. So in this case, entry is going to be right there. We short it, or we set our limit orders, whatever we do. The ATR value is 46. Grab this, and it will give you 46. There it is. What we're going to do is we're going to go 1.5 times the ATR. 46, half of that is 23, 69. Round it off to 70. That's your stop loss. The other way to sort out your stop loss, if you want to, is see our cloud here. Okay, if it's a red signal, look for the red dots above, pull a parallel channel down to your dot, and stop loss can be 50%. Nothing wrong with that. So either 1.5 times the ATR or 50% of that range. And the candle high to the dots. Red dot, look for the red dots. And this parallel channel, there you go, you got a background, we've got a middle line. You can copy that. stop loss. Now, entry, this is the trend-based fib extension. I'll show you the settings on this. Click on the entry, pull it in the direction of the trade, click, go back to entry, click, grab this point and pull it down to your stop loss there, and TP1 is going to be 50, and you're going to take 2/3 off here and leave 1/3 in and trail it. At that point, 2/3, this is scalping. At that point, with 2/3 off, we then pull the stop loss down to be in the money, wherever that is. In fact, it could be around here somewhere. As long as it's in the money, it's risk-free, and then we let it go. Now, if you need to, come back and replay this bit. I won't repeat it again, there's no need to. Now, the thing with this is we've got a couple of things going for us. This yellow line is a daily level, so it's trading into resistance. Red dot, resistance, opportunity. The other thing we've got going for it is we've got this divergence, this red line that you see in here. This is a bearish divergence. So let's just play one more bar and we'll let this unfold. Hold it there. All good. See what we've got here? The divergence is building. That's a good sign. We're traded right into that, and this is a high probability setup. The other thing with this is the angle of that is favorable. If it's really steep, you probably want to avoid it. Up to you. They can work out. There'll be a certain percentage that do and don't. But the more shallow this angle, the better. These dots are amazing in a ranging market where these lines flatten out. In any case, we'll just play that and then see what comes next. Right, target 1 reached. By this time, you're trailing this with your stop loss. And if you want to, come down in front of your entry point here, and you're well and truly in the money. Or close it, it's up to you, but I mean, some of these are going to pay out really well if you let them run. I guess, you'll work out how you want to trade this. So anyway, I'll exit the replay mode. If you follow that down with your stop loss, that's the other thing too, you can trail it down with the stop loss and just let it come back and get taken out. All good. This is scalping. So that's how we trade this. Now the next step is to run through your pairs, look at the chart, and if they stack up like these do, look at that one. Nice, nice, nice. Set your alert. And look at that. Big payday. You set your alerts, sit back and wait for them to come in. I'll click on the alerts, and we've had a few fire. This one's the dollar Swissy. That was the last one that fired right here. Let's have a quick look at them. Are they any good? If you caught it, that would have been okay. EuroCAD. Look at that one. This was the last alert. EuroCAD right here. Nice. New Zealand CAD. Just clear all the drawings. That was the alert. Short-lived, but nevertheless it paid. Some of them are going to be better than others. Like this, for example. All of these. Look at that. Very nice. And it's these big runs when you get these. Oh, that's right. We had a look at that one. Pound Swiss. There we go. I think we looked at that. The last alert was this one. If you caught it, Euro Yen. Ah, that's a different alert. That's this one. Very enjoyable sitting here. They fire. We come in, take the trade. I'll have MT4 open beside me. 5-minute chart. Very quick. Okay, so there'll be more on this. I really like these alerts. I could sit here all day cashing in. Absolutely. So guys, again, an invite for you to join me. There's the free Discord. The link is below. You're welcome to that. Here's our Discord trading room here. This is the free section down here. There's so much value. And of course, take it to that next level and join us in VIP. We're doing really well in here. If you're in Discord, go up here, click join, go down here to the website link, click on that. This is so affordable. I have so much value to offer you. I don't need to charge a lot of money for what I have. I'm happy. You shout me a hamburger every month and you get access to everything. So with that, guys, I look forward to seeing you in Discord. I hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next video.